Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Parang kailan lang, nagse-celebrate tayo ng Christmas, tsaka New Year, at nagpa-prepare tayo kung ano yung mga resolutions natin for January. And we're already halfway of the year. Ano kaya yung mga bagay-bagay na nagawa na natin or na-tick natin sa list natin sa mga resolutions natin? Well, for me, honestly, parang wala pa akong nagawa na consistent. So, meron mga like few of few from the list na nagawa ko pero hindi ko siya na-sustain for like the past 6 months. Like, happy-happy lang. O, ayan yung daughter ko. So, one thing is for sure, I want to be really a good mother and a good wife and a good person. So, yes. Patuloy lang tayo. Hindi natatapos dito yung pagbabago. Every day is a new chance to, every day is a chance to change and learn.